All right. I think we're ready now. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Marilyn Darling Show. Today we are looking at a pink ink from DeAtramentis Document Fuchsia. Thanks go out to Gary and Kathy Scott for providing the sample for this review. Here is our comparison panel. It's a nice pink. I don't really see any shading. It's a document ink, which means it's going to be permanent. And when we look at our ink swatch, we can definitely tell that nothing moves. There's like the teeny tiniest hint of bleed, but that's it. Here is our ink splotch that will make a wonderful postcard one day. And here is our toilet paper chromatography. And all I see like the tiniest bit of red and pink. So, that's cool. Let's do some paper review, shall we? Alright, this is the Pen and Gear Memo Book from Walmart.com. No, Alexa, stop. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. 52 GSM Tomoe River paper. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. 80 GSM Rhodia dot pad. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Fabriano Eco Qua 85 GSM. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Ayush 100 GSM heavyweight paper. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. The Premier Premium Journal from the 99-cent store. No feathering. No tiny bits of ghosting. I would not use the backside of this paper. Nemesine 80 GSM. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Clairefontaine 90 GSM. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Lamy Booklet 90 GSM. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Exceed 100 GSM heavyweight paper. No feathering. Oops. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Mead wide rolled notebook paper. It looks like it's trying to feather, but I don't know. And it did bleed through. I would not use the backside of this paper. CVS Caliber notebook paper. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. HP Premium 32-pound copy paper. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Unison Composition Book from Target for 50 cents. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Alright, let's do a comparison panel. This is DeAtramentis Document Fuchsia next to Private Reserve Shell Pink, Lamy Crystal Beryl, Diamond Hope Pink, Diamond Peach Haze, Tasha Lip Color Rose Pale, Colorverse Alpha Blue, Sailor Manyo Sakura, Colorverse Felicity Glistening, Diamond Tammy, Diamond All the Best, Pen BBS 137, Diamond Robert, Diamond Pink Ice, Birmingham Decaying Incline, Gourmet Pens Pink, Lamy Vibrant Pink, Noodlers Rachmaninoff, Monteverde Kindness Pink, Stipula Sweet Pink, Freedom of the Starry Skies Pink, Mont Blanc Pop Pink, Géabon Bouquet de Anton, Pilot Mixable Pink, Robert Oster Sushi, Graf von Faber-Castell Yozakura, DeAtramentis Apple Blossom, Vinta Inks Vineyard, Noodler's Cactus Fruit Eel, Sailor Grenade, DeAtramentis Document Fuchsia. Oh, this is the same one. Diamine Deep Magenta, Diamine Party Time, Private Reserve Plum, Noodlers Black Swan and Australian Roses, Diamond Claret, Van Diemen's Diamonds Are a Girl's BFF, Pilot Iroshizuku Yamabudo, L'Artisan Pastelier Calfolio Adrenople, Noodlers King Philip Requiem, Rora Inklinger Solferino, Krishna Magenta, KWZ Raspberry Rose, and Organic Studio Unicorn Blood. This doesn't really look like any of these, which is surprising. Usually I find one or two that are like spot on, but this one, I think that the closest that it came to was Mont Blanc Pop Pink, but even that was a little bit lighter. So that's very interesting. Well, what did you guys think of today's ink? Are you guys looking for a really pretty, very permanent ink? Let me know in the comment section below. That is all for today. I want to thank you all for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed that one. I hope that you learned something. Please share this video with your friends. Follow me on social media. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the little bell. Make sure it's set to all so when I upload new content, YouTube notifies you. And I will be back very soon with another video. So, take care until then. Okay, love you, bye. Have a great day.